Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is speech on Holi. So let's get started. Good morning everyone. Today I am honored to speak about one of the most joyful and colorful festivals in India, Holi. Holi is known as a festival of colors celebrated with great enthusiasm across the country. It signifies the victory of good over evil and the arrival of spring, bringing happiness and positivity in our lives. The festival begins with Holika Dahan, where a bonfire is lit to symbolize the burning of evil forces based on the legend of Prahlad and Holika. The next day, people play with colors, water, balloons, and flowers, spreading joy and love. families and friends come together to celebrate, exchange sweets like gujia, and enjoy the festive spirit. Holi teaches us an important lesson to forget past differences, forgive, and strengthen our bonds with love and friendship. It unites people beyond religion, caste, or age, making it a festival of togetherness and harmony. Let us celebrate this Holi with happiness, respect for others, and environmental consciousness by using natural colors. May this festival fill our lives with joy and positivity. Happy Holi to all!
Hope you liked this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and keep smiling.